Hello everyone, welcome today. Yes, it's weekend, December the 11th, 2021. Yes, look, weekend, Saturday, no, December the 11th, and Sunday the 12th. We have here in this daily newspaper one Sudoku Medium, regular Sudoku, but also a quintuplet. And I've told you the quintuplet, I won't do them anymore because it will take me more than an hour. So only one regular Sudoku. And in this newspaper, there's also an additional with 6 extra puzzles. Half of them I will solve today, and the other half tomorrow, because tomorrow we have no newspaper. So I will continue with the rest of the puzzles of yesterday's. But first, we will solve this baby. This will be number, let me zoom this out. Okay. This will be number 3813. Yes. 3813. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudokus, this will be a 2 stars. And for 2 stars Sudoku, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. We will see. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. 3, 4. Okay. Let me see. Yeah. Which number can I pick? How about these 5 missing numbers in this big square? One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3, no 3 in these 3 boxes. Here 3, no 3 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3. Should be there. Yeah. How about? Let me see. 3. We have 8 in this column, 8 in the last column. So the column between, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 5 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1 in this big square, so no 1 in these 3 boxes. So the 1 could be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there. 1 should be there. Okay. So 3 should be here. Okay. Think. How about these 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square? One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4, no 4 in these 3 boxes. Here 4, no 4 in those 2 boxes. So the 4 could be here, could be there. 4 in the last row, 4 in one of those 2 boxes in that row. So the row between, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4, therefore should be there. Alright. Okay. Then, how about, well, we have 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4, no 4 there. Here 4, no 4 here. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Alright. In this column, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4 in this big square, so no 4 in these two boxes. Here 4, no 4 in that box. So the 4 could be here, here, or there. We see there another 4, no 4 here. Here are 4 in one of those two boxes in the second row, so no 4 in that box. One box left for the 4. Should be there. All right. Okay. Then 3. Let me see. How about yeah. 8 in this column, 8 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only two places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see there, no 8 there. 8 should be there. And we have a pair. 2 and 8 in this row, 2 and 8 in the middle row. So the row below, the only two places left for the 2 and 8 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 2 and 8. Okay. Alright. 3 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5 in this big square. So no 5 in these two boxes. So one box left for the 5 in this row should be there. Then 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers. So 1 is missing, 2 and a 3 is missing. 1 and a 3. We see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers. 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 4, 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and a 6. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 6 goes there. Alright. Okay. Then. 1 in this last column, 1 in the column next. So in that column, the only two places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 1, 2, 3, the 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 is missing. 4 and then 9. Let me mark those two boxes. Alright. Okay. Then let me continue. 1. How about 3 missing numbers in this column? Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, 5, the 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 167, 167, and look, we have 1 here, no 1 there, here 1, no 1 there. Only place left for the 1 should be there. The 6 and the 7 are in those two boxes as a pair. We have a 6 and a 7 in this column, 6 and a 7 in that column. So the column, oh wait. We already have a 6 there. 7 in one of those two boxes in this column, 7 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only two places left for the 7 should be here or there. You see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the row below. So the last row, only two places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. 7 in the third column, 7 in the first column. So the column between, the only two places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. And now I cannot continue with the 7. How about 2, 3, 9, 2, I'm thinking. How about 945, 945, 95. 9, 4, 6, yeah. 6 in this row, 6 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 2 numbers left now in the middle row for the numbers 9 and 4, 9 and 4. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here and the 4 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 4. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, 6, 7, 8, and the 9 is missing, 5 and the 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here and the 5 goes there. Alright. Then, how about these 3 missing numbers in this column? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, 3, the 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 2, 4, 5, 2, 4, 5. And look, we have a 4 here, so no 4 there. Here 4, no 4 there. The only place left for the 4 should be there. 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 5. Cannot fill this yet. I need to wait. Okay. Now we have a 4 here. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 4. Now we have a 4 here, so this box cannot be a 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. Alright. Do I have all the 4s? Let me count. And all the 4s are used. I can see. This is number 1, number 4. Alright. Okay. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 8. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, the 6 is missing, 7 and 8 is missing. 5, 6, 8, 5, 6, 8. And look, we have a 5 and a 6 in this column. So no 5 and a 6 in this box. The 5 and the 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 5 and the 6. We see here 6. No 6 there. 6 should be here and the 5 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 8. Okay, so 1 box left in the 3rd column for the number 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 3, 3. No. 1 in the first row, 1 in the second row, so in the 3rd row, only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in the last row, 1 in the row above, so in that row, only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there, and no, the 1s are used, I can see. Digit number 2, number 1. 5, 5. 1, 2, 2, 3. Yeah, 3 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 is missing, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 9 is missing. 2, 3, 9, 2, 3, 9. And look, we have a 3 here, so no 3 there. Here 3, no 3 there. The only place left for the 3 should be there. 2 and the 9 are missing. Well, I cannot fill this yet, need to wait. But we have a 3 in this row. 3 in the last row, so the row between. The only place left for the 3 should be there. 3 in this third row, 3 in the second row, so the first row, the only place left for the 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used, I can see. Digit number 3, okay. 2 missing numbers, I believe the 2 and the 5. Still cannot fill this yet. How about these 3 missing numbers? The 1, the 2 is missing, 3, 4, 5 is missing, and the 9 is missing. Well, we have a 9 there. So the 9 could be here, could be there. And the 5, we have a 5 there, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 should be there. 2 numbers left, the 9 and the 2. Let me mark those. Okay. 9, 9, 9, 9. 2 and the 5. Now I can fill those boxes. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and the 5, we have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 5 in the last column, 5 in that column. So the column between, only place left for the 5 should be there. 5 in the third row, column, 5 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used, I can see. This is number 4, number 5. Okay. 1 box left in the third row for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, the 7 is missing. Oh, overlooked this 7. I've marked those 2 boxes with a 6 and a 7, but we have already a 7 there, so this box can be 7 and 1, that box should be a 7, and this box should be a 6. 2 numbers left in this big square, 4 numbers, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing, 7, 8, and a 9 is missing, 6 and a 9, we have a 6 there, no 6 there, 6 should be here, and a 9 goes there, 1 number left in this column, the last column for the number 1, the 2 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square, 4 numbers. 1, the 2 is missing, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 9 is missing, 2 and a 9. We have a 2 there, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 2 in this row, 2 in the row below, so the last row, the only place left for the 2 should be there. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 and more, that box should be a 2. This box should be an 8. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 and more, that box should be a 2, and this box should be a 9. 2 numbers left in this big square, 4 numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing, 7, 8, and a 9 is missing, 6 and a 9, 6 and a 9, we have a 9 there, no 9 there, 9 should be here, and a 6 goes there. Final 2 numbers in this big square, 4 numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there, 9 should be here, and the 8 goes there. Finish in 18 minutes. Told you I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve, and I've solved this in 80 minutes. And I like this one. I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll continue later on with the other 3 puzzles in additional. See you then. Bye-bye. For now, again, our daily practice continues.